Primo Passi introduces the latest innovation in breastfeeding. Our new double breast pump gives moms a comfortable experience, giving your baby a healthy life through the benefits of breast milk. The unique soft silicone cushion provides a gentle pumping and imitates your baby's suction for clinically proven effectiveness. Start on the stimulation mode, and at the touch of a button, change it to suction mode to start silently pumping. Attach the included nipples to the bottles and easily feed your baby with the most complete form of nutrition your baby can get. Primo Passi Double Electric Breast Pump, helping you to breastfeed even when you're not there.